The Marpost GEM CMS system is a sophisticated system to prevent machine damage due to collisions. So CMS stands for Collision Mitigation System, and it prevents machines from being damaged due to imperfect programming, part fixturing issues, or even tool setting issues. Certainly operators and owners want to make sure that the machine is up and running, is not experiencing any downtime or costly damage to any of the machine components. So the AIM software, or Artis Integration Manager, expands the capabilities of the already existing machine. It allows for unlimited modes for different tool paths, tool types, and so on. It integrates seamlessly with the machine, and it requires no PLC programming. Integrating AIM is easy. We interface with the top 5 controller types, which represent over 95% of the entire market. With the GEM CMS system, it prevents any damage caused by mistakes, and mistakes happen all the time. Without the GEM CMS system, you could be looking at spindle damage, way damage, a variety of different damages. And so if there's a programming error or a fixturing error, it prevents serious damage to the machine and mitigates those issues whenever they occur.
My name is Jason Overland. I'm an applications engineer here at Merrifield Machinery. At Merrifield, we offer custom solutions, full turnkeys, application support, full training on multiple controls. On this Takumi machine, we have integrated the GEM CMS system. This is a higher end machine. It's a double column mill, and for us, it protects our asset. The system can be integrated on any machine, really, multiple machines, and it can all run from essentially one controller. The option is fairly easy to install, just a couple plugs. It is considered to be plug and play. I did receive training from Marpost. It took maybe 3 hours to fully understand the system, so it's quick and easy, and you just integrate the command into the control. And the benefits of the option are tremendous. The really awesome part about the system is if you closely monitor your process, you can do anything. You can tell if you're pushing the tool too hard, you can yield tool life benefits. You can tell if you're not pushing a tool hard enough, so you can go in and push the tool harder and see the feedback on the system. You can get cycle time reduction. So you can really tell how your process is doing if you monitor your process as you cut. To be honest, customers that have this system integrated to their machine, they don't call us. Those catastrophic failures are being prevented. It's been an absolute pleasure working with Marpost.